Hi there, welcome to the weekly market update. This is Ronaldo Sariano speaking from Enlightened Super Trader Education, and we're going to talk about my forecast with the markets today. So, before I go through, just a quick reminder in terms of our events for the end of the month, for month of July. So, we have a former FXCM employee will be talking more about FXCM and why FXCM is actually a leading broker in regards to the currency markets. So it's actually free. That's tomorrow from 3 p.m. to 4:30 Pacific Standard Time. And then next weekend is I'll be teaching the Action Taker Trading class. It's a 2-day class, and that is basically August 3 and 4 from 12 to 5 p.m. for both days. So, without further ado, let's go through and have a look at the markets, simply the Dow Jones Industrial 30. I'm going to go through it now on the monthly chart because we only have pretty much 2 days left based on what's happening at the moment. Well, in terms of this week, really, in terms of news, there's really nothing much. But even if the price, of the Dow will go through 15.4, doesn't really matter. The bulls are currently in control, unless there's a really good strong event that the price will drop back all the way down to 15,000. So 500 point drop to the downside. But you can see here easily a higher high, higher low in terms of a continuation of the trend. Bulls are way too strong. You can't fight against them. And on the weekly, on the other hand, from creating a higher high, lower low, notice how we have a nice clear doji at the moment. A lot of part of the uncertainty. Question is the price going to come back down this week to create a new lower low below 15.4? And if so, then I'm with you. Then we're going to have a minor correction around back to 15,200 or 15,057, around these levels before a new continuation to the upside. But notice how on the monthly is too strong. So my take on it, even it goes to 15.3 to create a new low for the month of August, before a new higher high. So we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. But on the daily chart, on the other hand, notice how we have a lot of uncertainty creating higher high. And if you watched my report forecast from last week, approximately around the 2-minute mark or even to the 4-minute mark, you'll see I basically stated there's going to be a slight correction all the way down to 15.4 before a rebound to the upside. It did. 15.4 was a really good demand level. I'll just draw that. So 15,400 was a good demand level. Creating now a new pivot point through right there, a higher low. So the next part of the series is really a new higher high, and also touch and actually break the 15,006. My next projection is around the 16,200 area on a medium term perspective. Around this point, the market is just too powerful, too strong. I believe there's more room in order for the market to be very bullish all the way to the end of the year. And the other part is looking also at the dollar index at this point in time. Dollar index is actually currently weak at the moment. However, it's also in an uptrend, but the bulls and the bears are currently fighting from last month and this month. So we have a new higher high, higher low, but the question is, can it push it all to the upside? And if so, if there is a probability that it's going to correct itself a little bit, then we'll see the markets as well correcting to the downside. So medium term could be a possibility of a rebound to head back up around the 80 to 50 area. Alright, so that is my report for this week. Hope you got something out of it, and I hope that it will help you based on your portfolio. Take care until next time. Happy trading, and see you in class.